Hey there, math superstar. Have you ever been at the store with your parents and needed to add up big numbers quickly? Or maybe you've seen huge scores in an NBA game and wondered how many total points were scored. Today, we're going to master adding and subtracting multi-digit whole numbers, and by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at it. Let's dive in. Before we start crunching numbers, let's talk about the golden rule of multi-digit math. Always line up your numbers by place value. That means ones go under ones, tens go under tens, hundreds go under hundreds, and thousands go under thousands. Think of it like organizing your locker, everything in its right spot. Once they're lined up, we always work from right to left, starting with the ones column. This keeps everything organized and helps us carry or borrow correctly. When you add two digits and get a number that's 10 or bigger, you need to carry. Here's how it works. Say you add 8 plus 7 and get 15. You write down the 5 in that column, and then you carry the 1 over to the next column to the left. That carried 1 gets added in with the next column's digits. It's like when your backpack is too full, you hand some stuff to a friend to carry for you. The same idea applies here. Now let's talk about subtraction's superpower, borrowing. Sometimes the top digit in a column is smaller than the bottom digit, and you can't subtract without going negative. So you borrow 1 from the column to the left. That neighbor column gives up 1, but when it crosses over, it becomes 10 in your column. So if you had a 4 in the ones place and needed to subtract 7, you borrow to make it 14. Now 14 minus 7 is easy. This is the key to all those tricky subtraction problems. Let's warm up with a straightforward addition problem. 3,241 plus 2,536. Starting with the ones column, 1 plus 6 equals 7, write down 7. Moving to the tens column, 4 plus 3 equals 7, write down 7. Now the hundreds column, 2 plus 5 equals 7, write down 7. Finally, the thousands column, 3 plus 2 equals 5, write down 5. Look at that. Every column was easy because nothing went over 9. Our answer is 5,177. Great job. That's a clean addition with no carrying needed. Now let's try one with carrying. 4,758 plus 1,693. Start in the ones column. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Write the 1 and carry the 1 to the tens column. Tens column. 5 plus 9 equals 14, plus the carried 1 makes 15. Write the 5 and carry the 1. Hundreds column. 7 plus 6 equals 13, plus the carried 1 makes 14. Write the 4 and carry the 1. Thousands column. 4 plus 1 equals 5, plus the carried 1 makes 6. Write the 6. Our final answer is 6,451. Carrying can feel tricky at first, but once you practice it becomes second nature. Awesome work. Let's try subtraction. We have 8,176 minus 3,542. Again, always start from the ones column and move left. Ones, 6 minus 2 equals 4. Write 4. Tens, 7 minus 4 equals 3. Write 3. Hundreds, 9 minus 5 equals 4. Write 4. Thousands, 8 minus 3 equals 5. Write 5. Since every top digit was bigger than the bottom digit, we didn't need to borrow at all. Our answer is 5,434. This is subtraction at its smoothest. When the top number is always larger in each column, everything flows easily from right to left. Here's the big challenge. 6,342 minus 2,785. Starting with ones, 2 minus 5, we can't do that. So we borrow from the tens, the 4 in tens becomes 3, and our ones column gets 10 added, making it 12. Now 12 minus 5 is 7. Tens column, 3 minus 8, still can't do it. Borrow from hundreds. The 3 in hundreds becomes 2, and tens becomes 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. Hundreds, 2 minus 7, borrow again. The 6 in thousands becomes 5, and hundreds becomes 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. Thousands, 5 minus 2 is 3. Our final answer is 3,557. You did it. Multiple borrows conquered. Here's a super helpful trick. Always check your subtraction by adding. Take your answer and add it back to the number you subtracted. If you get the original big number, you're correct. For our last example, 3,557 plus 2,785 should equal 6,342, and it does. This quick check can save you from losing points on tests. Parents, this is a great habit to encourage at home when checking homework. It only takes a minute and builds confidence. Let's use what we learned in a real-life situation. Your school is having a fundraiser. The goal is to raise $5,000. So far, the fifth grade raised $2,347, and the sixth grade raised $1,896. First, let's add what both grades raised. 2,247 plus 1,896. Ones, 7 plus 6 equals 13. Write 3, carry 1. Tens, 4 plus 9 plus 1 equals 14. Write 4, carry 1. Hundreds, 3 plus 8 plus 1 equals 12. Write 2, carry 1. Thousands, 2 plus 1 equals 4. Total raised so far, $4,243. Now let's subtract from the goal. 5,000 minus 4,243 equals $757 still needed. Almost there. Great teamwork. Ready to level up? Let's add 5-digit numbers. 34,568 plus 27,845. Ones, 8 plus 5 equals 13. Write 3, carry 1. Tens, 6 plus 4 plus 1 equals 11. Write 1, carry 1. Hundreds, 5 plus 8 plus 1 equals 14. Write 4, carry 1. Thousands, 4 plus 7 plus 1 equals 12. Write 2, carry 1. 10,000s, 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 6. Write 6. Our final answer is 62,413. The exact same process works for 5-digit numbers, 6-digit, even million-digit numbers. The method never changes, just more columns. You're already an expert and didn't even know it. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the most common mistakes students make, so you can avoid them. Number 1, forgetting to carry or borrow. Always watch for sums of 10 or more when adding, or top digits smaller than bottom when subtracting. Number 2, not lining up place values. If your columns aren't lined up, every digit will be in the wrong place. Number 3, working left to right instead of right to left. Always start from the ones. And number 4, skipping the check. Take those extra 30 seconds to verify your work. It's worth it. Amazing work today. Let's recap what we learned. First, always line up your numbers by place value before you do anything else. Second, for addition, work from right to left and carry whenever a column adds up to 10 or more. Third, for subtraction, work right to left and borrow from the next column whenever the top digit is smaller than the bottom. And finally, always check your subtraction by adding back. These skills work for numbers of any size, 2 digits, 5 digits, even bigger. Keep practicing and you'll be solving these problems in your sleep. Parents and teachers, thanks for watching. See you next time.